Welcome to matecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm from Sri Lanka. My name is Ganga Dosan.
Okay. How many years old are you?
I'm now 39 years old.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have two boys.
In which country are they?
They are back home in Sri Lanka.
Who is taking care of your children?
My mom and my mother-in-law. Now also my husband.
Okay. So, what job you are applying for? What job you are applying?
Yeah, I prepare nanny or housemaid. But
Okay.
most I like nanny job.
But you are willing to work both as a housemaid come nanny, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, when would we be able to start working if you get a new job?
I hope after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you have relatives in UAE?
Yes, madam. My sister and my brother.
Okay. Please describe your present job.
My sister is a housemaid or
No. Please describe your present job. Present job. Where you are working right now.
Arabian Rangers.
Okay. For which family you are working?
Irish family.
Irish family. So, what are your duties there?
Yeah, I take care baby girl. And so I clean the house. This is during the day.
Okay. So, how many years old is the baby girl?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. So, how will you clean the house? How will you start cleaning the house?
Yes, morning I drop her to the nursery. When I come back, I clean upstairs first because when she come back, she need to sleep. So after that, at 11 o'clock, I'm going back to the nursery. I bring her back home. Then I feed her. Then she go to bed. Then I start downstairs cleaning. So 4:30, 5 o'clock, madams are coming. When they come back, I do rest of the work like ironing or something like this.
Okay. So, how many times in a week you change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
Yeah, here, madam, because house by house, these things are different. My madam like twice a week.
Twice a week. Okay. So, how will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
Toilet are using this Clorox and Harpic. So Jeep. Again.
So, every day you clean?
Yes, every day. Toilet, bathroom, every day.
Okay. So, what will you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Sorry, madam?
If a delivery man came to the door, okay, and your employer is not around, is not in the house, so what will you do at that time?
Which man, madam? Sorry,
delivery man. Some unknown person came to the door and your madam is not in the house. So, like you will open the door or you will check with
No, madam. I can see the outside. So, if because this is community, nobody can come inside because there is a security area. So, if someone come, sometime I know because my madam let me know. So, otherwise I don't open the door.
Okay, very good. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes.
What kind of food you can cook?
Now I'm cooking only my food, Sri Lankan food. So, but if someone want to cook, if they give me the recipe, I can do.
Okay. So, you are willing to take care of children?
Yes. So, for the kids, I can cook pasta and salad or French fry like this item I know.
Okay, good. So, what favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
I play with them always. I take them to the park, drawing and read the books and these things.
Okay. What do they like best about you?
My baby here, she like to go outside with me. Or when they start music, she's dancing. Like these things.
Okay. So if if the girl accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Sorry, madam?
If the girl, if you are an employee's child, she's accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Yeah, if she fell down or
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, madam. If she fell down, if she gets something hurt, so I can wash that area very well. Then I can apply some cream, or because we have the things for her.
Okay, first aid box.
For the medicine, first aid box and everything. So it's something cream or something I can apply like this.
Okay. So, are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
Sorry?
While the baby is sleeping, are you willing to do some housework?
Yes.
What kind of work you can do when she is sleeping?
Yeah, when she's sleeping, always I do like ironing, because it's not coming noise. I is scared every time when I make noise, maybe they will wake up.
Okay.
So, these things.
Okay. As a nanny, could you say no to your child?
What, madam?
As a nanny, could you say no to your child? If the child asks you something, will you say no?
No, madam. If this is the defense, because we can't give her everything what she asks.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So if anything is bad or dangerous, you will not allow her, right?
So I need to understand and her to tell, explain for her.
Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
Yes, 2,500.
Okay. So what kind of a housemaid or nanny are you? Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer.
Okay.
What kind of a person are you? Like you are hardworking or honest?
Yes, I'm very honest, madam. So I like to find a very nice family, because this my family 2 years I'm working before also same. I find all very nice family. So also I'm like European family.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you very much, Ganga, for your time for MaidCV.com. Thank you.
Thank you.